I'm Drew Seiler. I'm from Cincinnati, Ohio. My field of interest lies within entomology, which is the study of insects, as well as arachnology, which is the study of arachnids. For this internship, I am working in the Forbes Lab.
So I'm Dr. Andrew Forbes, and I'm an associate professor of biology at the University of Iowa. We study the origin and maintenance of insect diversity, so how many species there are, where those species come from, and how they persist. Today there's a lot of concern that species are going extinct, and there have been a couple of high-profile papers saying that insects are going extinct at these really high rates. So our research, again, is about where new insect species come from and how they're maintained. So it ties directly to these questions about how can we save insect diversity. I originally wanted to work on fish, and I had a really great mentor who pulled me into his lab, and he studied the evolution of insects, and I just kind of got hooked.
My research deals with the investigation of moth biodiversity across these 6 prairie sites. If there's a correlation between size and moth species, as well as the plant diversity and the moth species that we find there. We picked moths for my study because they are very easy to catch. Additionally, they are an insect that is sort of in the middle of the food chain, and in general, these are very charismatic species. They are very attracted to the eyes. Everyone just sort of knows about them and aware of them. And so when we talk about we want to talk about moths or butterflies, people are usually a lot more inclined to listen, and they want to know what's going on with these guys. We want to know, could we, instead of acquiring huge plots of land and filling those up, instead keep the plots a lot smaller, but just fill it with a lot of species of plants? And if this study indicates that plant species are more important, that is a very viable thing that we would like to do for future work. Additionally, any sort of ecosystem studies are usually very appreciated, because a lot of the times this type of work can then be taken and continued, or it can be taken and modified for something else.
I am very, very glad that I have been able to meet and become friends with everyone here. It's been a great experience.